I think this is my kids because I don't have kids. Whatever they say, they come here and say they enjoy the food, they love the food, it's delicious. I'm Ana Marie Moreno. I'm the senior cook of Clark Middle School. I've been working in the district in the food service like 10 years. At 7:30, we prepare the breakfast for the kids and we make sure the kids eat their breakfast. So that in the class, they have the energy to listen and to learn with their teachers. So they tell us what is wrong, what we need to improve. So we listen to them. If they like more cereals, we put more cereals. If they like the cereal with the Go yogurt, we offer them. We have a good customer service, so the kids can come in and eat. The most popular is mac and cheese, the chicken tender with onion rings and potatoes, mandarin chicken with rice, garlic bread. They like it. If the kids come here and say thank you and put a smile to you, our spirit lift up. Everybody in the kitchen all their hard work is paid when the kids say thank you and with a smile.